Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally the wait is over and the One UI 6 update is now rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy watches as well. So it's official from the Samsung newsroom that the One UI 6 update will be now rolling out on the other devices as well. So the One UI 6 watch will be soon available for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, Watch 6 Classic, Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and in the end it will also be released on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. And talking about what's new coming, so it is now introducing features like energy score for the health insights and advanced AI powered sleep tracking. And also some fitness tools like race and workout routines are coming with this. Also some advanced AI analysis with the metrics like movement and heart rate of respiratory rate of the sleep tracking are coming. With the real-time progress tracking with the race and custom routines with the workout routine. But keep in mind that not all the features of the Galaxy Watch 7 but only limited features from the Watch 7 are now available. And in the end you will also get to see some new watch faces available with this One UI 6 update. Now if you ask that how you can check for the updates, for that you can go to your Samsung Gear wearable and from here you have to select this about watch. From here you have to select software update, and from here depending on your region the new update will be available over here. There is no new update available in my region. As you can see, my watch is still on the One UI 5 version. You can also check for the update directly from the watch. For that you just have to simply grab your watch and from here you have to go to your settings, and after going into your settings you have to select software update. Now from the software update you will have to click on download and install. From here you can check for the new updates available. But there is no update available on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and it is still on the One UI 5 as you can see. But I will update you once it is available. The update will first roll out on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series followed by the other models. And if you want to get to see an early access to the watch faces of the One UI 6, so those are also available in the Samsung wearable app. As you can see, this new watch face is now available. You can also check out another watch face that is available and it is really informative. As you can see, the name sells it Ultra Info Board. This watch face is also available for free and you can download it directly from here. I really like the interface of this watch face as this watch face has all the useful information. As you can see, the heart rate, the compass and the weather, also the sunset and the sunrise time is available with this watch face. Talking about the further customizations, so you can also further customize this watch face by long pressing in the center and clicking on customize. You can change the background color of this watch face. Also you can change the clock font of this watch face. Further you can add some compilations to this watch face as well. You can add the shortcut you like or the app you use the most. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about that the One UI 6 is now rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy watches. So depending on your region, the update will come to you. Let me know in the comment section that have you got your update or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.